Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune repair report from my friend Brad over in Missouri on the RCI-2985dx. Yep, that's right. This thing has been blued out. Got the new updated frequency counter in it, the whole processor board. No more memory issues there. Brand new meters and LEDs. The other ones had yellowed on the back. Might have one on. Here's one of them out of the trash. See how yellow them are? Yeah. Alright, we're going to get right to it. We've got your amp keyer relay installed inside, and it's on the RCA jack in the back, and it is labeled. Turn this light on. And we have a 12-volt jack on the other side. If you decide to run a fan or anything, you know, you can. Either way. Obviously, all the mods, clarifier mod, Toshiba regulator. This unit here, you know, of course, if you know these radios, they don't do much power, but they drive amps good. They're real clean output, great on sideband and AM. So let's just get right to you. See what you got. 25 watt slug, half a watt all the way down, 5 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low 12 bird, 25 or 50 watt slug and peak. Low almost 25 peak. So it's going to drive your 2-pill just the way you want it to, and then into your GS35B. Brad, it's been a pleasure. I appreciate it. I want to thank you for packing it so securely in that Pelican case. And most of all, I want to thank you for a good detailed note, because I'm getting a lot of radios in here lately with no notes whatsoever. Guys, if you call me and I let you send something in, please remember to put a note in there with all your contact info, including your email and phone and what you want done to it. Because if I get a radio in here and it's got UPS as a return address, I have no idea who it's from. So anyways, Brad, we appreciate it and hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.